Hello everyone and welcome back to another Mara stock chart planning update video. Real quick, of course, everything in this video is my own opinion, what I'm doing with my own trades, and I'm not recommending for anyone to buy or sell. Again, this is just educational purposes because I am not a financial advisor. You all know how that stuff goes. But for those of you that are new, on my most previous video, I do break down the bigger picture to better understand what our current structure looks like and why we're looking at the zones we're currently looking at and the way we're looking at them. And of course, previous prices cannot change. Only present and future prices can change. So if you look back on the last Mars stock chart planning update video, you'll see what the bigger picture breakdown is. I'm gonna try to keep this video quick, so I don't want to go through that. But yeah, we on our previous video we did specify that we want to see prices come up to the 0.5 retracements and consolidate between 0.5 and 0.618 as a sign of further momentum. We can remove this. It's not valid anymore. Instead, we're going to make a new one starting from the swing low up to the swing high. So if we were to see any price retracements, we will see it come down to this level and not break below it if bullish momentum will continue. Now, due to the quick aggressive move up, and we didn't get that quick short consolidation in this area, my confidence is still there, but I'm starting to lose faith that this triangle pattern is going to continue to hold, because I ideally like to see 3 hits on a resistance or on a support, either or, as consolidation continues on a structure similar to this. So we had a first top and a second top, and of course these numbers are just wave counts. But I would like to see. There's currently, I think, construction or something going outside, so you guys hear that noises. Hopefully it doesn't interrupt my voice too much. But due to that quick sudden rise up, it's an aggressive break of structure. Of course, it could also just be a form of liquidity forming in the stock price. We won't know until trading continues. We continue throughout this week, and we kind of see what's going on. So ideally, there's 2 possibilities on the ideal side, which is we come back down, retest this support or this resistance that now could act as a support, and then we can move on higher to the purple retracement area, completing a 3-wave move. It will complete our 5th wave micro move, and then which will be a completion of an overall 3rd wave move on this bullish structure this year. So besides that, yeah, we're looking to see if we can break down, find support on this previous resistance, or ideally find support around the 0.5 retracement. Of course, a break below the 0.618 or even a break below 0.5, consolidate between 0.618 and 0.5 can act as bullish momentum as well to break higher, but a break below the 0.618 will open up paths to retest either this ascending triangle support right here or find support in these areas down here. Now, as we continue to move higher, of course, our ideal path is to find a top in this purple fib area. As of right now, we are going to leave the 5 and the 3 right here, because the possibility of finding a top in this area is also possible, because all we need is a break above this yellow line right here to indicate a potential top. Our ideal top is around here, but it can happen anywhere here. Of course, I'm still continuing to wait for prices to go here. I'm not advising anyone to or anything, but I personally would recommend to myself that it will be a good idea to start selling here, looking for potential corrective moves lower. So as prices continue to trend, again, ideally we want to find support either here or here. We want to see a retracement back down. but very, very easily we can see prices move on higher as Bitcoin, and I'll make a Bitcoin update soon, but Bitcoin is starting to go up a lot, and this stock is very heavily influenced by Bitcoin. A lot of people, and I just want to make this super clear, say that this stock pretty much just follows Bitcoin. I disagree, and that's just my own opinion because this is a company. Bitcoin is not a company. This is a company that has a lot of expenses. It has a lot of things it needs to worry about on Bitcoin. They have hardware that needs replacement. Anything can happen. There can be like an internet shortage or anything. Anything can happen on any other properties. Um, so of course, um, it would not follow Bitcoin exactly, but it is very highly influenced by Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin continues to go higher, and if we see all-time highs tested like as soon as um, this week, which is extremely possible, we could see this price easily break up into this area right here. So I hope that made sense. I hope you guys understand where my ideal support area is if we see a retracement, and then what the again what our bullish top on this little structure looks like, and then what our potential support area looks like, and what our bearish case looks like. Um, I'm very, very confident now. I'm even more confident, uh, pretty much completely confident that a three-wave structure was completed over here, and we are actually not looking at, very clearly, we're not looking at an extended three-wave pattern anymore. I'm just going to go ahead and say that it's confirmed um, that a three-wave pattern is in, making this wave complete. And then for Bitcoin, it's going to look differently, but I'll update you guys on that soon. A break below any of these lows means that something crazy is happening, or like something is weird is happening in the macroeconomic world, where we need to completely scrap our structures and create a new structure for whatever insane thing is happening. But if nothing crazy happens, like a black swan event or whatever, then we can be confident that on Mars specifically, we do have a confirmed three-wave structure. So yeah, guys, again, hopefully this all made sense. Hopefully I didn't repeat myself too much. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next chart planning update video. And yeah, take care.